If you could make him think of you always, wouldn't that be amazing? The majority of women secretly hope that their partner would be so enamored of them that he will be unable to stop thinking about them for even a short while. That is very romantic, even though it may be a little impractical. Everybody has obligations, so they can't spend all day daydreaming about their significant other. But with the correct strategy, he may maintain consistency in his ideas and feelings. It's possible to make him love you so much that the idea of being apart from you becomes intolerable. You may learn how to get him to give you his whole attention if you follow the instructions in this video exactly. You'll know at the end whether he's thinking of you, so you won't have to wonder. Welcome to the most recent video from Psycho Wisdom. If you're new here, click the subscribe button to see more articles about social psychology. Please leave a comment below saying, "I subscribed," so we can welcome you. Let's examine the psychology of missing someone before discussing how to make him miss you. Being social creatures, humans depend on close relationships. We want for physical and psychological closeness with people other than our family and friends. We begin to miss someone when that intimacy is lost because it leaves a gap. Their absence might cause physical agony, such as a knot in your gut or a weight on your heart. However, causing this type of suffering is not the aim. Rather, the goal is to establish a bond so deep that being apart from you feels more empty than being by yourself. When a guy senses that you are vanishing, he starts to miss you, and desire, which is fueled by scarcity, is a major factor in this. He won't feel the motivation to work hard if he thinks you're constantly available. However, his drive to gain your favor will increase if you make him work for it. Stopping communication is the first step to make him miss you. Women frequently desire to be in charge, particularly when they sense a male is stepping back. However, persistently contacting him simply keeps him from missing you. Step aside and let him know you're not there. Take up a new pastime, hang out with your buddies, or just keep yourself occupied. He will start to miss you when he notices that you aren't contacting him as frequently. Beyond this, concentrate on improving yourself. Make your life fascinating and meaningful because people are drawn to those who appear to be enjoying their best lives. Demonstrate to him that he must earn his position in your world and that your pleasure is independent of him. Another effective tactic is mystery. Because men are inherently interested, you can pique his curiosity by taking a slight step back. Let him wonder what you're up to and stop revealing too much on social media. He will be more interested and willing to get back in touch when he doesn't know every detail of your day. Make a lasting impact by being upbeat, interesting, and enjoyable when you do spend time together. Make sure your time together is memorable for the right reasons because people miss the fun they have with others. It is equally necessary to give him space. It may sound paradoxical, but allowing him to live his life as he sees fit increases his appreciation for the time he spends with you. He may think about what he really wants when he has freedom, and if you've made a good impression, he will naturally come back to you. Avoid the temptation to text him on the spur of the moment or to obsess over his every action. Rather, concentrate on your own life and allow events to flow organically. Finally, when he reaches out, remain approachable and kind. Be confident and kind when you welcome him back, rather than criticizing him for taking his time. This demonstrates to him your willingness to make important relationships even if you're not waiting around. By using these techniques, you'll not only cause him to miss you, but also help him understand that you're the one he can't afford to lose. Thank you for viewing. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to Psycho Wisdom for more thought-provoking videos.